Welcome students, we're going to talk about organizing your binder. Here we go. A couple things before we even start. It's nice to have a nice cover page. I want to thank Alina Martina ahead of time because she let us borrow her binder and it's very organized. And a lot of yours are too, but there's just one in particular I want to highlight. And here we go. What should you have in the pockets? Pretty much only things like cutouts, maybe your passwords, things like that, things that are not really inside the binder. Anything that I've given you as a worksheet should not be in here. It should be in the rings. So let's talk about that. Other things to consider is, remember, if you don't have any of these items, photocopy them. The only thing you can't photocopy is the homework. You have to do that on your own. I think there's a total about 37 assignments that you should have in here. So here we go. First, you should have the reading strategies, which is 0. Then you should have syllabus, which is 1. Being on task, number 2. Pause this video at any time. You don't have to have the respiratory system 1. 3 is the heart assessment. 4 is the circulatory system packet. 5 is the structure of the heart. 6 is the digestive system packet. 6.5, this is kind of part of it right here. Then we have the excretory system packet. Then we have the neuron packet. Then you have, and again, just remember numbering them, right? 8. Always number them and circle them. 9 is this nervous system concept map or bubble map. 9. 10, endocrine system packet. That's number 10. 11 is immune system packet. 12 is the concept map for the immune system. 12. 13 is this eukaryotes worksheet. Alright, handout 13. 14 is, I gave you this when I was, I think there was a sub, and you got this one, eukaryotes viruses. 14. This one we call 14A. It was also additional with that. 14A was this one. And then this came with it. So now we're with 15. Okay, 15, you have the cell membrane packet. 16 is this item that came with it to help you learn the cell membrane. 16. She has 2 copies. Cool. 17. Cell respiration made simple. Handout 17. Alright, here we go. Quiz number 1. This is a practice quiz, by the way, but quiz number 1 was on out of 10 questions, and it was about the syllabus. Quiz number 2, out of 25, this was labeling and blood flow of the heart. Quiz number 3, this is circulatory system, it's out of 36 points. Quiz number 4, out of 10 points, this is quiz number 4. This has to do with blood, lymphatic system, and heart disease. Quiz number 5, digestive system quiz, out of 44 points. Excretory system, out of 17 points. It was this half sheet, or it might look different on yours, but it's out of 17. Quiz 7, this is out of 30 points. Nervous system quiz. Quiz 8, endocrine system quiz. Now it's out of 29 or 33 points. Quiz 9 is molecules of life. It's not on here. But that was also another quiz. I think it was out of 15. I don't remember. I don't have that one here. I think she's missing it too. Make sure you have quiz 9. Here we have quiz 10. This one's a molecules of life and prokaryotes eukaryotes virus, out of 15. Quiz 11, it was the plant cell quiz. Some of you had the actual handout, which looked like a plant cell sheet, and it was out of I think it was out of 34 or 24, sorry. Some of you had the half sheet. Periods 5 and 6, you had the half sheet. Quiz 12, the enzyme Pac-Man one. Quiz 13, that was a partner quiz. Okay, so what do you do if you don't have this one? So online I'm giving you the answers and the worksheet. So print that out and just put that in your binder. So one of you kept this, right? This one here. And the other partner just go ahead and print it online, and it's on the same site that you got this video. Again, so this out of 41 points, quiz 13. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You're gonna get quiz 14 back. So quiz 14 is basically gonna be this one. This is Everett. Nice score on here, and this is out of 31, and this is the photosynthesis quiz. So that would be quiz number 14. Alright, so other things you should have exam 1. Some of you have the benchmark. Some of you didn't take the benchmark because you started our school later, and that's okay. Don't worry about having this in here. Don't worry about these things. Okay, now we go to the homework section. Now I'm just going to go through them so you can take a look at them. Make sure your homework is complete. I am grading them. I am taking time during the final. As you're doing the final, I'm going to be grading these. And so homework 1, make sure they're all completed on your own. Homework 1. Homework 2 was this one here. You didn't have to print it out, but it was to, answer some questions about that. So there's certain parts. This is still homework 1 and homework 2, etc. You had to draw a diagram. There were some videos that you had to watch. And again, this is a student who takes her time, and it's really important if you want to be successful. Take your time so you can learn it, and take your time with your homework so you can always have pride in your work. And that's how you become successful. A lot of you already know that. And we keep going. And so I'm just going to kind of zoom through and just to give you an idea of the extent that I'm looking for. Just make sure they're all numbered and circled just like this. Always take pride in your work. So how do you know what the homework assignments were? Just click on the link. It says homework, and it'll tell you what number it is. The key to doing well is to do it every day. Every day there's an assignment. Just make sure you have it done. So you don't have to be scrambling in the last moment and having to do a bunch of assignments, clicking back on things and doing it. Make sure you do it and take your time on it. If it looks like it was done last minute, I cannot accept it. So there were 37 assignments. We're almost there. Now homework 32 is extremely important. This is where you had the bio packet reflection. You're going to use this also. We're going to keep this for second semester. A lot of what we're going to do is empty out a lot of these items, and then we're going to put it away somewhere safely in our house because you're going to need it for the final exam in semester 2, which covers everything in the whole year. Here's homework 34. You need that worksheet. Very important. Make sure it's all completed. These are all just notes. That's it.